Hey everyone, welcome back to the JavaScript course. So inside this video, we'll be exploring about the JavaScript precedence. And if you find this interesting, let's get started right away. So in this video, we'll be looking into the JavaScript precedence, and this is going to be a short video. So inside my VS Code, I've opened up my index.html file, my style.css file, as well as my script.js file. And inside my index file, there is some basic boilerplate code. And inside my style.css file, there is some basic styling given. And inside my script file, there is a basic console.log text. Okay. So now let's start exploring about the JavaScript precedence of operators. Okay, so we'll be including the main basic four operators that we have, that is a divide, star, minus, and then the plus operator. So the order of precedence is going to be, so when we compare divide and star with the minus and plus. Okay, so of course the first one is going to have more precedence than the minus and plus. That is, this is going to get executed first when compared to the minus and plus operator. Okay, so whereas if we have a star and if we have the divide and the star operator, it's going to go in from left to right direction. That's going to be the order of precedence. So that's going to be same for the minus and plus as well. Okay, so let's understand this with the help of an example. So let's say const result equals to, let's give 100 star 50 and then plus, let's say 30. Okay, so essentially on line number 3 we are initializing a result variable, and we are writing 100 star 50 plus 30. Okay, so we have two operators, that is the star operator and the plus operator. So of course, as we know, this has more precedence than the plus operator. This is going to get executed first, that is 100 into 50, that's going to be 5000, and then later that value, that is 5000, is going to be added to 30. So we're gonna get 5030 in the console. Okay, so let's check that out once. So it's gonna be console.log of result. So save the file, come back over here, and let's open up a console once. Yeah, so there you go, we are able to see 5030 in the console. Okay, so now let us check another time. So const number equals to, we're going to say 120 plus 30 minus 40. Okay, so over here on line number 7 we are writing 120 plus 30 minus 40. So essentially we have two operators, that is plus and minus. So if we have two, that is plus and minus, it's going to work from left to right. Okay, so first plus is going to get executed. So 120 plus 30 is going to be 150, and minus 40 we're going to get 110. So console.log of number. So inside the console you should see 110 being printed. Okay, so if you include in case brackets, so that's going to get executed first. So const result equals to, let's say first we have 120 plus 50, and later we have 10. Okay, so essentially more precedence is given to the bracket. So first bracket is going to get executed. So 120 plus 50 is going to be 170, and 170 minus 10 is going to be 160. Okay, so console.log of result. So of course you should get 160 in the result, right? Yeah, so 160 is working absolutely fine. So let's again copy the second one. So the same way we did for plus and minus, we're going to do it for divide and multiply. Okay, so let us comment this out, and over here we're going to first check 10 divided by 5 multiplied by 2. Okay, so again we have a divide and multiply in the same line, so it's going to be left to right. So first 10 divided by 5, that's going to get executed, so which is 2. So 2 into 2, 4. So we should get 4 in the console. So let's go check that out. So save the file once, come back over here. Yeah, so there you go, we are able to see 4 in the console. It's working absolutely fine. So these are the basic precedence values and the rules that need to be followed whenever we have different kinds of operators in a given expression. Okay, I think that's it about the basics of precedence in JavaScript. Yes, I think that's it for this video. Let's see you in the next video, and then thank you for watching.